Good morning, everybody. Here is your Core Bites number 76. The first one, we're just reviewing your multiplication tables. So what times 8 gives us 32? And you would say 4, because 8 times 4 is 32, 4 times 8 is 32. For the next one, it says find the sum. So that means you're going to have to add the numbers together. So you've got 2,489, and then you've got 4,042. So make sure you have your commas. Make sure you line them up by place value. And then we're just going to add them together. Okay? So 9 plus 2 would give us 11. So regroup the 1. 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. 4 plus 1 is 5. Add your comma. 4 plus 2 is 6. So your answer would be 6,531. For the next one, they want us to simplify the fraction once we get the decimal as a fraction. So 75 hundredths would be 75 over 100. And as you know, think of quarters and a dollar. You can divide both numbers by 25 equally. So 25 will go into 75 3/4, and then 25 will go into 100 4/4. So your answer would be 3/4. For the next one, for the angle, what is the best estimate? So you know that if it was right here, it would be 90 degrees if it was a right angle, okay? This would be close to 180, right? So based on where it is, 80 would be less than 90. It's past that, so it's closest to 100 degrees, okay? And that helps us with our next one for sketching a right triangle. So if you have a ruler, that would be helpful, or something that you can use to, get a straight edge. So do your best. So draw your first line, and then try to draw right at 90 degrees, straight up, and then put your little box, and there you have a 90-degree right angle. All right, guys, make sure you check yours.